Are you looking for a full brick, 4-bedroom, new construction home for under $450 in the Greater Greenville, South Carolina area? In this video, we're going to check out the 2604 floor plan by Adams Homes right here in Bracken Woods subdivision in Piedmont, South Carolina, about 7 miles from downtown Greenville. Now, if this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything about living in the Greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you'll be the first to know about the real estate market right here in the Greater Greenville area. Hey, it's Victor. I'm here with Producer Realty. My team and I, we help people build generational wealth by guiding and supporting them as they purchase their dream home and helping them sell at the highest price. And we would love to do the same for you as well. So whether you're looking to move in the next 10 days or the next 100 days, go ahead and reach out to us. We'd love to help you avoid costly mistakes and make a smooth move right here in the Greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. All of our contact information are in the description box below. Let's check out the 2604 floor plan by Adams Homes right here in Piedmont, South Carolina. All right. Like I said, this is a 4-sided brick home. It's a 2604 is actually the square footage on this home, and that's actually what the plan is called as well. And you've got a decent sized driveway here. You can probably fit maybe 4 cars out here, 2 on the inside. So it's a brand new home. The builder is offering some really great incentives right now, which I'll go over with you shortly. And this one is priced, like I said, it's under $450,000, so it's priced just a little over $426,000. Okay, little small front porch here, and it's nice to have these, window panels on both sides here. Lets in some natural light inside the house. Okay, and wide hallway. You got a nice foyer entryway here. Little chandelier right there, a little bit of crown molding. And to the left here, you've got 2 bedrooms. So here's one of the bedrooms. Nice sized room. This one has a small walk-in closet. Okay, and then bathroom here, tub shower, and bedroom number 2. Check out the closet, because I like showing everything so people can see. Carpet in the bedrooms, luxury vinyl plank in the rest of the house, including the bathroom. And right here is your coat closet. And you do have carpet on the stairs. Forgot to mention that. Okay, so that goes into the primary bedroom. The kitchen area, we'll go over there in a moment. So let's check out this area here. Okay, so this is the linen closet for the laundry room. Laundry room here, nice space. And 2-car garage. You got the automatic door opener, gas water heater, and the access to the attic is actually in there as well. And the primary bedroom has the tray ceiling with the crown molding. It's a good sized room. You've got 3 windows here, so you get some good natural light coming in. And the ensuite bathroom, linen closet there, shower with a little bench, double sinks, and the water closet. The drawers here are soft close, along with the cabinet doors as well. Walk-in closet, decent size. It's pretty cool how they put the hook right here so you can be able to hang your towels. So not many builders actually put that in for you. So that's a nice touch. Open floor plan, ceiling fan in the family room. You got the breakfast area right there. Got a space for, bar stools on this side and brushed nickel pools. You got some cabinets under the sink there. Gas range, and again, these are soft close as well, just like the other ones in the bathroom. And a small walk-in pantry, a little bigger than a lot of the houses that we've seen in here, so not bad at all actually. Right now the builder is offering some really great incentives on the homes here. They're closing out this neighborhood, so once they sell off the homes that they have available right now, that's it for the neighborhood. Okay, I think they have about 11 homes right now, not including the model. And right now they're offering 4.99% interest rate on the government loans. So if you're using FHA loan, VA loan, or USDA, because this neighborhood, this house qualifies for USDA, as long as you qualify, you can be able to get the 100% USDA financing and be able to get that 4.99%. Plus, they're offering up to $7,000 in closing cost assistance as well. And also, by the way, they are offering a limited time incentive right now. Depending on when you're looking at this video, it may not be available, but if you're looking at this pretty quick from when we shot this video, you can do blinds throughout the house, or you can get a washer and dryer. That's not taken away from all the other incentives that they are offering. Now, if you're asking, okay, what if I'm not doing a government loan? If you're not doing a government loan, you get $20,000 in flex cash that you can use however you want to. You can take it off the price, or you can use it to go towards your closing costs, buy down your interest rate. They also give you the $7,000 towards closing costs as well. So you get the $20,000 plus $7,000 towards closing costs. So really, really great incentives. The only thing you can't do, you just can't get a check at closing. So you have to use it off the price or towards your closing costs, or a combination of all of that. All right. So let's continue with the tour. Let's check out the upstairs. Nice wrought iron spindles there. Really opens up the space, gives it a little bit more character. All right, I know this house is deceiving from the outside, but it's definitely 2 levels. Okay, so right here with a little tiny door is the attic space. So the contractors have access to service the air handler unit. Bedroom here, and closet. You got double doors, so it's a decent sized closet. And on this side, whoever is up here is actually living the life. You got the bathroom, full bathroom here for just you and whoever is going to play in this playroom. Or bonus room, office, whatever you want to use it for. All right, so 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and a bonus room, large bonus room. Let's check out the outside. This house is available for sale, a little over $426,000. And the blinds are built into this back door. Good sized covered patio out here. A couple of light fixtures, so if you wanted to put ceiling fans out here, you should be able to do that. Not a very big backyard. I mean, just manageable size, right? So the lot does drop off, right there. But you could put up a fence right here, and you'd be able to, manage your yard pretty well. 4-sided brick home. Well, I hope you enjoyed that tour. Where if you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in the Greater Greenville area here, let my team and I help you. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or you can visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com, or you can scan that QR code to schedule a time to chat with me. All right, Looking forward to hearing from you. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.